What's up, guys? Here's an amazing automation for a CPA, bookkeeping, or an accounting company. This is one of the onboarding automations. So, for example, what this process does is it will have a faster onboarding times for CPA as soon as the customer closes, bring in more efficiency for the operations team, and have a smooth customer experience and collect the data automatically as well. So, no more multiple emails asking customers that, hey, can you send me this form? Can you send me 3 years of tax returns? So, for example, the way it starts at client fills out an onboarding form. We use AI to analyze the form, basically have multiple options. Once we know that, okay, whether it is for tax purposes, it's for audit or bookkeeping purposes, the right manager in the company gets notified and the customer is assigned to that team. Could be your taxation team, could be the bookkeeping team, or the audit manager as well. Once that happens, automatically it'll send an email to the client asking for relevant documents. So if it's tax, we can customize it for the tax needs. Could be for an individual tax return or a corporate tax returns, could be for a trust. Name it, we can go as deep as possible and make it super easy for you to bifurcate multiple types of tax returns as well. Same goes for bookkeeping as well, and about auditing or any other services for that matter. Once the customer submits all the documents, the next screen they see is to schedule an onboarding call, which is to walk through all the processes, or if there is any question from your team, they can ask those questions during that call. Now, if the customer is not submitting those documents, you can automatically send reminders and collect those documents, right? Keep sending out reminders to the client. Now, post onboarding call as well, when the customers are onboarded, they are now handed over to the Delight team. And from there on, if you have any document requirements which you need to collect, could be your quarterly documents requirement or weekly updates you want to send to your customers, or half yearly documents you need from your invoices or any other credit card statements, automatically system keeps on sending those reminders and start gets collect those data from your customers. So simple yet super efficient workflow, just one of the many workflows we do for CPAs, which would help them